bitch.
Hey, AK squad.
It's your girl Lex
and Kayla.
and we about to go see the fireworks.
Woo!
We seen the fireworks. Yeah.
Lex. We will see you at the fireworks. And we are here. Hey, bitches.
Alright, so we're walking because we weren't allowed to, this is like weird. We weren't allowed to, like, I guess, like, I mean, I could have drove here, but I didn't want to drive here because I know that they don't let you, like, bring your car anywhere near there. So we had to get dropped off, like, streets before and we have to, like, walk. So, yeah, but it's gonna be lit. You know, the fireworks are always nice here, you know, at the lake. So I always come every year and I stay on the lake, like, on, like, the dock. With like all my friends and like it's right above the water. It's so
she never
cool.
came with me before, so this is our first 4th of July together.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not
So,
really 4th of July.
Well, it's about to be 4th of July.
So then,
We don't know them. She's telling me to film these random people. See, we're just. How do we? So we're just waiting.
it's so funny.
And we're vlogging. I don't know where am I supposed to walk though. See, like down there all the cops and stuff. You're not allowed to turn down there.
Prank someone here.
Bitch, who are we gonna prank? These people are watching us. Who are we gonna prank?
That was so funny. I hate these two girls like way up behind them.
Oh, me too.
Yeah.
Do I look better with or without glasses?
I think.
Thanks, babe. Why are you guessing?
How'd you know? I'm just kidding.
This bitch.
There's a fire truck?
We want to spend like
Okay.
crazy. We're gonna prank. Can you take the camera? Because these cops are shining me.
Yeah, let's turn it off now.
Yeah, we're gonna turn it off for a little.
We are here. We are here at the fireworks.
Waiting for it to start. I think it's supposed to start at 9, but maybe 9:30.
My hair's in my mouth. But anyways, yeah, I don't know what they're doing, but they're taking a while, forever. And people are probably staring at us because we got a flash going
And a camera, but so who cares?
Alright, we're gonna show you the fire. We don't have a flash right now, so we're gonna show you the fireworks when they come on. So this is Trevor. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, AK Squad.
Hi.
Alright, so what's going on is
Okay, so
me and Kayla are about to leave because these fireworks are supposed to start at 9:30. Tell me how it's 10:10. We were sitting outside for an hour and a half.
10:09.
So
we are leaving because these fireworks are not coming on, and this is fucking bullshit.
what do you feel about this? Like it's good.
Oh, this is good.
Well, we're leaving.
Alright, bye guys.
I was in toy with her. Hey.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, did it on my own.